client just paid me 172 euros for a service. This client lives in the UK. Let's go on and refresh this page to show you that this is real. So I'm going to click on this button here to refresh the page. Give it a second and it's going to refresh. So as you can see, this figure is still there. That is to tell you that this is legit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start an online business, a digital marketing business that gets you paid from different parts of the world in different currencies. When we talk about online business, most times you think it's rocket science. No, it's not. There are only 4 steps it takes to start a business that makes you money on a daily basis. I'm going to explain the 4 of them, giving you relevant examples so you can start as soon as you're done watching this video. Are you ready? Let's dive straight in. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the topic of today. So here are 4 steps it takes to start an online business that gets you paid every single day from different parts of the world. The first step is to pick what we call evergreen topic. So you're going to pick a profitable niche, and this niche has to be an evergreen topic. Evergreen topic is those topics that a lot of people are interested in, year out. Here's a list of evergreen topics: health, wealth, relationship, and tech. These are 4 topics that anytime you talk about them, you always get attention and interest. So, of course, you know, the higher the number of people that are interested in what you talk about, the higher your chances of making a lot of money every single day. Now, this niche must be something you are passionate about. You're going to be talking about this topic every single day. So it has to be something you are passionate about. This way, you'll be able to create consistent, valuable content on this topic year in, year out. This is when you're able to create valuable content consistently, able to establish the KLT factor, know, like, and trust, which are 3 things you need to get people to start paying you. Some of the examples include fitness and weight loss, business startup and growth, relationship tips and tricks, hacks, and then maybe latest gadgets. You can actually pick any of these topics and build a niche on that. Second step is to pick the right social media platform and start creating valuable content around this topic consistently. Now, this platform could be TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or even LinkedIn, anyone that works best for you. Don't let anybody deceive you saying that you should build in silence. No, we live in a digital world, and how much you get paid depends on what we know, see, and alive. If you're going to be paid, we need to see you. We need to see what you have done, and the only way we see you, the only way we see what you've done is what you put out there for people to see. This is where consistent, valuable content on this topic comes in. For example, this client that paid 192 euros met me on Facebook. Now, think of it. Those people you've paid, whether you bought an online course, you signed up for a class, anything, how did you meet them? In your house? No, you met them on social media. That's why you need to go for the platform that really works best for you. So you need to consistently post educating, entertaining, engaging, and value-packed content for your audience. Here's what to cover in your content: your journey, why you started, how you started, your testimonials. You need to show us the result you've gotten, customer testimonials, frequently asked questions in your niche. This is one guaranteed way to create the kind of content your audience enjoy and gain a lot of value from. BTS, behind the scene, we need to see those things because they all help us to know, like, and trust you. When you're able to create content around these topics, you're able to build relationship, trust with your audience. So once you get a hang on the niche and the content creation, you've started establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. The next thing is to go on and create your offer, which could be a product or a service. This is where the money comes in. It's when you make this offer that people pay you. One of the secrets to making a lot of money from your product or service is to sell it before you create it. Yes, you need to use the pre-sale strategy. There are so many reasons why you need to do this. First is that it's going to help you make sure that what you're about to put out there is something a lot of people are interested in. It will also help you in pricing. When you pre-sell it at a certain amount of money, it helps you to know if people are really able to afford this or not. So when you eventually launch the offer, you'll be able to price it based on a buying capacity of your audience. This offer could be digital product like an ebook, online course, template, and the rest. It could also be a physical product, branded t-shirt, your hair cream, or whatever you are selling. And finally, it can also be a service. What this client here paid me for is a service. So if you can't create this product by yourself, maybe you don't have the time or you don't have the knowledge or capacity, you can actually get it from other people. You can actually get other people's own to sell. So someone does the product creation for you, and then you buy the product. You have the master resale right to the product. I've seen a couple of people do that, and they make a lot of money. So long as it's something a lot of people are interested in, you are good to go. So here's an example. Say you are in the food niche. You can actually create a cookbook, an ebook. You can create an online course that covers maybe 15 recipes. And you can also have a live class, like a webinar, a masterclass, or even a challenge where you teach those things, make it more practical. These are various digital products you can create in your niche. Here are two tools that will help you a lot in creating this product: Canva and ChatGPT. Step 4 is to start promoting this product and make daily sales. Guys, I can tell you from experience that it's super easy to sell online today than it is to sell physically, if you know how to create content. Now, if you are creating valuable content already and you're not making sales, the problem is because you're not making an offer. Yes, you need to make a daily offer, and one way to actually get started selling online is to have a proper launch. Like I said earlier, best secret is to pre-sell it. Yes, tell people that this product is coming up on XYZ day and this is the normal price, but if you get to sign in or make payment or pre-order or buy it just before that day, you're going to get a discount of XYZ amount. This way, people are open to buying it because we love it when we're able to get a discount, when we're able to buy things at a cheaper rate. So if you did pre-sell, you are going to get a lot of people send you money, and that money they sent you is actually going to build your morale, boost your morale, and then the trust and faith you have in yourself to go on and create this product. So when you get a couple of people sign up for this product, even before you create it, it is a sign that this is something people are interested in. And then when you eventually create this product and you put it out there, you already have testimonial, a proof that people are buying it. It will also help you a lot when you start promoting it. One of the things you need to pay attention at this stage is to actually create low-priced offer if you are a beginner in this field. So create a low-priced offer and give massive value. I mean, over-deliver on the promise you made them. This way, people are going to see a lot of value from what you have to offer, and then it looks like a steal because the price is so low compared to the value you offer. And then give your time chance to learn, fail, and try again, because when you're starting out, it's not always that smooth. Now, all these ideas I shared here may sound simple or easy, but you really need to put in some work to get them done. If you have some money, you may want to create a website where you're going to host this your product or service. If you don't, you may want to consider platforms like Seller or StanStore. You will achieve the result there without spending a lot of money in terms of building a website. So, what are you selling? What niche are you in? Have you made money online? Have you sold online before? Let me know in the comment section. Drop your questions too, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.